So you want to make a Roblox game, but you don't know how to code? I got your back. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I recently made a Roblox game as a total beginner, start to finish. So let's get right into it. First off, we're going to need you to choose your favorite AI. And I just made a Roblox game with ChatGPT and Gemini. On this specific occasion, ChatGPT gave the better results. However, to be fair, I've got some other videos coming out where Gemini did give a bit more of a fight. So for all intents and purposes, it doesn't necessarily matter which one you pick. Each of them have their strengths and drawbacks, but at the end of the day, you will get a decent Roblox game from each of them. Okay, so now we've got our AI. We now need to know what game we are actually making. So when you're starting out making games, I'd recommend choosing something which is already existing, like Steal a Brain Rot in this case. I mean, I'm not talking about publishing it and profiteering off of it, but for practice and whatnot, it's good to have a game in mind to reference when recreating something so you can sort of use it as a guide. If you do want to make your own game, I'd recommend going to ChatGPT and asking it for some ideas if you can't think of any. Now we have the idea, the AI, but how do we actually turn this into a game? I'm going to need you to open up Roblox Studio, click on an empty template, and I'm going to want you to go to ChatGPT and just simply say, make me a prompt for this game. I'm a Roblox beginner, please provide me one script that will run this entire game. Essentially all this does is makes it so ChatGPT won't be referencing any models, it won't be getting you to add in multiple scripts which leaves more room for error. It's just going to run this game off of literally one script. So you go onto Roblox Studio, you go up here to the script part, literally pop it right in, and look, you've got a working game. So this was my first prompt right here, and as you can see, a bit of work was needed, but considering this was done within literally a few minutes, I was very impressed with this. What do we do from here? How can we improve upon this? So there are two main things. One, self-explanatory, which is just going back and forth with ChatGPT. In my videos, what you don't see is me going back and forth, taking screenshots of the gameplay and essentially just tweaking it so that we get a good foundation. So in this video, as you can see here, from the free Roblox Studio model library, like this awesome chicken nugget right here, and I even made a star appearance in the video myself. And then all you do is you get ChatGPT to reference the model names in its script. So it will essentially pull them through and put them in the place of just the standard blocks it generates. So basic foundation for your game, models, and everything seems to be working. But you want some more competitive gameplay and you can't get your friends to play your AI game. Don't worry. You can have AI friends. My God. So in this specific situation, I simply got ChatGPT to add in simple NPCs, all in the same script, to essentially give me people to steal the brain rots from. As you can see from here, it did it fairly successfully, and although the time limit did run out and I wasn't able to actually steal the brain rot, which is, you know, kind of part of the game, I did have NPCs which were absolutely destroying me and making the game more fun and competitive. So now you've got a game that you can play on your own. It looks fairly polished, and with a little elbow grease you could really turn it into something. But what if you want to learn coding as you're going along? Well, what I'd recommend is getting snippets of the code and asking ChatGPT to essentially explain it. This way you'll be able to learn and make games at the same time. But that's me for today. Goodbye.